I'm sorry that I'm wearing this to film for you today. It's just I was gonna film earlier, but then I didn't have time because I had to go to my parents' house, and I got back home and I was like, okay, I'm gonna film now, but then I got distracted and I painted my nails. So now my nails are a tiny bit wet still, so I don't know why I'm doing this, but I'm gonna film now. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we are going to be unboxing the brand new BOXYcharm for the month of January. Oh my god, yeah, I forgot we're in the new year.
Wow.
That is right, you guys. I did get this in the mail like yesterday. As I'm filming this, I got it yesterday, and I'm super excited because this is actually the BOXYcharm premium box. They did send me an email that I had got off the wait list and I was actually active for premium for this month, so I'm very excited. And if you are new to this channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome makeup family. But with that being said, let's go ahead and jump on into this box. I'm actually super excited. This is my first BOXYcharm premium that I'm going to be reviewing and opening, so I really can't wait. I haven't seen any spoilers for this box either, so I honestly have no idea. I have seen spoilers for the regular BOXYcharm. I got my knife and we are going to cut her open here. Oh, this one's so cute. It's blue and it says premium, and then the theme for this month is called Breaking the Ice. Very fun, very cool for like 2020, new year, new me. Not really, but oh my gosh. Okay, so literally something that I just saw is making me so happy. Okay, so I'm seeing some other things and I'm very excited. The first thing that I see here is something from Kat Von D. You know, I don't hear much about her brand anymore, but this is the Lolita eyeshadow. It's a single shadow. You can see that right there. I love the packaging. It's very pretty. I am not going to be able to get this open with my nails being, oh, I'm smart. My nails are kind of wet. This is actually really cool. It seems like it's just a matte shadow. Oh, this is cool. So this is the Lolita liquid lipstick in an eyeshadow shade. I have the, no I don't, but I've heard of the Lolita liquid lipstick. It's like her most famous one. Look how pretty. I like that shade a lot actually. I could use this as a transition. I'm not super into single shadows. Look at that. That swatches pretty well. Not bad, mate. Not bad at all. But I do like this. It's a very pretty shade. I could definitely see myself using it even though I'm not into single shadows. Next up, this is something that does kind of make me sad because I got it in a FabFitFun last time for like the winter season, but literally FabFitFun and BOXYcharm have no idea what the other person's gonna put in their boxes, so it's neither of their fault. Like, it's not BOXYcharm's fault. But this is the best brow kit ever by Billion Dollar Brows, and if you did see my winter FabFitFun box, then you'll know that I did get this in there as well.
So I was wrong. I went back to make sure that it was indeed my FabFitFun box for the winter season, but it was not. It was actually my Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate for the month of November. That's where I got it from. I apologize, I misspoke, so yes.
I'm not super mad about it, but I don't really do all too much with my brows, if I'm being honest. I really don't. I use a tinted brow gel and I brush my brow hairs up. That's literally all I do. So you have a brow pencil right here, and it does say that it's a universal brow pencil. I don't know how I feel about that because universal is usually not universal at all. And then this is a brow duo pencil. So this side is highlighter right here, and then the other side is concealer. So if you need to do some touch-ups. Nice shade. Maybe I'll use the concealer stick part because that actually could be really useful. And then you get a little brush and some brow gel. So really cool. I think this is definitely a good get for someone that hasn't gotten this already, but I have gotten it in the past, but I did give it to my mom. So maybe since I gave that one away, maybe I'll keep this one and try it out and see what I think. Who knows, maybe I'll like fall in love with it. Next in the box here, we have something from Lineage. I love Lineage. I love their lip sleeping mask. This is the Lineage Fresh Calming Mousse Moisturizer. That's cool. I haven't seen this. Oh, it says for sensitive skin. Oh my gosh, that's me. Hello? I have not seen this product out before. I don't think. Maybe I've seen it in someone's video and I'm just not remembering. I think mine might have leaked a little. If you see that in there, I don't know what happened inside of that, but it may have leaked just a little bit. I think mine broke. I don't know. I don't know what happened here. And now this part spins around and I can't get this to come out. Okay, so sadly to say, this is kind of a dud. Now, this is not BOXYCHARM's fault, obviously. Something may have happened when it was in transit because it is an aerosol can, so something could have happened with like the pressure. So I'm just gonna email them, see if they can send me another one because I would love to try it. I love Lineage, and this, especially for sensitive skin, it's something that's very up my alley. Even Raph, my boyfriend, tried to get it. It's like it's jammed. Like, it will not come out no matter what I do, and I am pressing as hard as I can, and this thing like keeps spinning. I don't know if it's supposed to spin. I watched a review on it to see if there's a way to unlock it. There's not, so that's a shame, but I'm gonna see if I can return it and have them send me another one. Yeah, there's that. If there's something that I'm missing that I'm just like not doing, please let me know. Like, if you had that issue and then you fixed it, let me know how you fixed it. Next up, we have something from St. Lux. This is an eyeliner trio. That's cool. Very, very cool. I have not heard of this brand before. Maybe it's like a liquid liner, a pencil liner, and something else. Oh no! Even better! It's colors! Oh, that's fun. I've been really wanting to get some like colored liner. I don't know why. It's just so fun for me to have like colored liner and stuff. But that's really nice. I'm super into this. So this one is a black liner. That's really hard. That's very hard. I don't know. I don't know about that. That's really hard. And then here is, I think this one's kind of like a golden-y kind of cream color. And then this one is a brown. I'll try them out, but that black was really, really hard. It did not feel creamy. It didn't feel smooth. So I don't know. I don't know about that. We'll see, but kind of disappointed in these. And then the second to last thing, this is, oh, it's by Too Faced. This is the Palm Springs Dream. Oh, it's a palette. Yay, it's a cocktail party eyeshadow palette. This packaging is really cute. I like this a lot. It seems very summertime. Seems like very tropical vacation. You're at a resort. And then on the back it has the shades. Oh, the shades look really nice. And then, oh, I'm so scared. Oh, it's like bright pink. Oh, it's like bright. Oh, I like this. Oh, I like this. I thought that it was going to be like bigger for some reason. I don't know what it looks like, but it's very flat, and I really like that. And then opening it up. Oh, I like this. I like this a lot. I wasn't sure at first, but I like this palette. I think that this would be a really, really nice one. It has a lot of neutral transition shades, and then you have loads of color in here. I'm super excited. So I'm super hyped for this palette. I like the packaging a lot, and the colors actually really surprised me. I didn't think it was gonna be that vibrant. And then last but certainly not least, the thing that I was so super excited about, this, I love this primer so much. This is the Farsali Liquid Glass Primer. This made the entire box for me. Like, this is my favorite thing in the box, hands down. I'm so excited about this. I used this primer a while back and I loved it, so I'm so happy to have another bottle of this. I can't wait to use it. Next time I do my makeup, I'm using this primer. I'm so excited. I don't know, I like it a lot. This is like the best product in my opinion, and then I think the palette in second place. It is everything that is in the box. So let's go ahead and go over this little pamphlet right here and see how much everything was worth. The Too Faced palette is $45. The Lineage Mousse Moisturizer is $29. The Farsali Liquid Glass, I'm so excited, is $54. The Kat Von D eyeshadow is $19. The, oh my, why? The Same Beauty, though, the eyeliner trio is $55. There's something wrong about that. Like, why? And it wasn't even that creamy. It was hard. I don't know. I don't know about that. Maybe they need to be like warmed up, or maybe they were just cold. I don't know, but that seems a little bit outrageous. And the brow set is $42. So the total value is $244, which is outrageous. Really love that though. I think that the total amount of the box is phenomenal. It's great. I think that most of the products were really good. Some things like the Lineage mousse, I am sad about that, but that's not BOXY's fault. And then for the eyeliners, I'm really not into those. I think the eyeliner and the brow kit were my least favorite things. The eyeliners mostly. The brow kit I can work with because I do think that I would use that concealer end of that stick for sure, for sure. All in all, I thought the box was okay. I'm not blown away. Of course, I am very happy that I was able to get that primer and that palette. I do really like both of those items a lot. But the other ones did disappoint me a little bit. I'm really just confused. I think the eyeliners really got me very confused because it's $55 for 3 of those liners. That's so expensive in general. But like for them to not be super duper creamy, for them to not be all that great. And again, maybe they're perfect, maybe they're awesome and I'm just knocking it before I try it. Maybe they need to be warmed up or something or kept in a warmer environment. I don't know, but all in all, I did not hate the box. I think that it definitely could have been better. I am glad that I'm on the BOXY Premium subscription though, because that really makes me happy. So I am happy I have that. I'm sure in the future there's gonna be a box that like blows my socks off, but yeah, you guys, that is going to be the unboxing for today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you got the BOXY Premium box as well, did you get the same products that I did? Did you get a different variation? If you did, then please let me know. But yeah, you guys, that's going to be the end of the video here today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up that like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post and when I post them, click the little bells down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.